Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Wanted to thank you for stopping by the Jury by BDK YouTube channel. I know you didn't come here for a sermon. So here's the video, and we'll talk soon.
Well, hey family, happy Friday. This is Darlene stopping by real quick. I got some already finished bracelets, and I am working on more of these bracelets. And these are the glass beads and jade bracelets, and I'm using some of the little kitty beads right here. Now these bracelets, the last ones that I made with the kitty beads and the real cute ones, those have already sold out. And then I got a couple more requests for three more sets of the kitty style, not these in particular, but three sets of the kitty style bracelets that I showed you in a previous video. Somebody also asked me about Poshmark. A couple of people asked me about Poshmark and if it is kind of worth selling on Poshmark. Hold on a second. Good afternoon. This is Darlene. Okay, wait. I'm doing an actual video, like a live video right now, and I'm gonna call you right back. Okay, okay. Bye bye. Okay, so I was asked about Poshmark and if Poshmark is a pretty good platform to sell on. I think any platform is a good platform for the sense of awareness. Now, any one of them platforms take a whole lot of work to do. You do got to have your closet full on Poshmark. Any other platform that you sell on, you want to keep your products up there, and you want enough of the product that will pique people's interest. So with Poshmark, I do really well on Poshmark. I've gotten three people, and then remember what Poshmark is, a lot of people that are reselling. Okay. So for me, I've gotten three people off of Poshmark that buy from me over and over again. So they literally go to fair.com, my wholesale store, and they purchase off of Fair. So they might see something on Poshmark, and then they'll contact me and say, "Hey, Darlene, are these items on Fair, or are you going to put them on Fair?" If I haven't put them on Fair, right? But if they want them, I will go ahead. I just be slacking sometime. They just haven't made it to Fair, but they might be on Poshmark or the other platform. And I have to tell them, well, give me a day or two, and I'll go ahead and put, everything on Poshmark. And then they'll ask me, well, do you have other product that you haven't put on any one of the platforms? I usually have a lot of product that I haven't put on any one of those platforms. And why? As you guys know, once we're making it, we're still making and making and making. And I haven't gotten around to taking pictures and then uploading and doing all that other kind of stuff. So I do many times I'll have product that haven't even made it to the websites or anything. So they'll ask me, well, can you send me pictures? Absolutely, I can send you pictures. So in that case, I'll take pictures, email them pictures, or go through Facebook or something, and they see the pictures, and that stuff will get sold even before I could even post it. And I like that kind of stuff, right? So if on Poshmark, if you're going to utilize the Poshmark platform, use it to your advantage. I mean, use it to your advantage in the sense of pack it with product. I mean, like pack it your closet with product. Upload, and then what's going to probably happen? And then always make the prices higher because people are going to negotiate or send you an offer, right? So whatever you feel comfortable at selling it, then that's good stuff. So for me, in the very beginning, I was selling my stuff at my product at what I was selling it for. So what happened is, as the people got more comfortable and I see that they're buying more and more and more, for me, I don't have a problem now selling wholesale to them only because they buy so much. And that's good stuff. When you can, if you could find some people on Poshmark, or them people find you on Poshmark and they begin to buy from you at wholesale prices, like 10 sets at a time, 11, 12, 15 sets at a time. See, now you winning. And even if you had 3, 4, 5 people that just buy from you like that all the time, because remember, a lot of those people on Poshmark are resellers. A lot of them have their own websites. A lot of them go to events and sell. A lot of them, they do a whole lot of stuff, so they're all across the internet. They're not just on Poshmark, they're selling like on every other platform too, right? Which makes sense to me. So one lady I was watching, I really love watching her YouTube channel. She's a reseller. So she goes out and like thrift stores, garage sales, and all this other kind of stuff, and she finds, a lot of good quality used products, right? And one thing she was saying that I could relate to is she is on every platform. She named off the platforms and everything. And when she sells something, she puts a little snippet in her video so you can see it was either on eBay, not eBay, Macari, Facebook Marketplace. It's a couple other apps. I don't even remember, but she be selling all over the place. And I was thinking to myself, see, she understands it. That's even like with your jewelry. You got to be on all these different platforms. And I mean, just kind of, and you do got to do a little work. You do got to do a little work. And another thing I was saying too, fair.com. If you want to sell wholesale like what I'm doing, see, I have the fair.com. So now when the people are buying from me on Poshmark, now they can buy wholesale. So now they go to fair.com and they're buying 20 and 30 at a time of something, which makes more sense because they're getting more now for the money that they would have spent on Poshmark. Where if you paying $42 or $62 for a set or something like that, now you can go to fair.com and get that at a discounted price wholesale, right? So you're getting more for your money than what you would on that retail Poshmark platform. But I do really good on platform. I mean, on that Poshmark platform. Now, is it good for anybody and everybody else? I have no idea. I just know how I work the platforms. I know what I be doing. I be working in platforms to my advantage. And my whole thing is, I said that in another video about sending out, the celebrity collaborative shipping. My objective is to get contracts with these movie studios. I'm not trying to just, hey, this is Darlene with Jerry by BDK. Here's a couple. That's not what I'm doing. I have a complete strategy behind everything that I'm doing. The good thing is that I'm able to include other designers in it, right? I don't have a problem, doing that. And then not only that though, it gives whoever we're sending, these people in the industry, whoever we're sending these sample packets to, it allows them some options. Like they can look and they may not even want jewelry by BDK, jewelry. I don't think that's going to be an issue, but I'm just saying, they may not want mine, and they may want Mommy Slays, or they may want Sharika Originals, or they may want PT Miss Pam's, or they may want somebody else's. They may not want Jewelry by BDK. But you best believe Jewelry by BDK is going to be ringing in people's ears. So you got to put in the work in regardless to whatever platform you're going to be selling on, right? So for me, there is a strategy. There is a plan behind it. So when I'm selling on Poshmark or any of the other places, what I am doing is working for me by having these people that now they found me on Poshmark. Now they've been directed to purchase on fair.com, and they purchase on fair.com quite often, or they'll purchase from me behind the scenes where I haven't even had time to put that stuff up yet. Hey, Darlene, what you got? When I can take this picture, send them to, hey, well, I want that. Okay. And that's cool stuff too. That's cool stuff. Those are the type of things that I'm trying to do. But anyway, I'm a little talkative. So these are some of the bracelets. I do like these with the glasses and these little kitty like beads. And I am going to order. I'm going to go on Amazon, and I'm going to really walk through the kitty kits and look at all the different beads that are in there, because I do want some different beads. There's a couple kits on there that I saw. Some of those beads I want out of some of those kits, but then there's some beads in those kits that I don't want. So I'm gonna have to take a little time and just kind of boogie through those kits and look at them and see which ones that I want. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jewelry by BDK. We do have a lot of new subscribers, and I do want to thank you for subscribing to the channel. And whatever made you subscribe, I do hope and pray that you see more of that. And also for clicking on the bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. Also for your comments, your words of encouragement, and all that good type of stuff. I got a lot of emails that came in regards to uh, the stretch magic. I don't know why people didn't comment under the video, but that's cool. That's okay. And if you do got a comment regarding something or whatever, and you don't want to comment on the video, my email is jewelrybybdk@gmail.com. But I did get a lot of emails about that, and I'm gonna have to go through those emails and look through and stuff. And I think what I'm gonna probably do is forward those emails to Tom at the Stretch Magic company. So I did get an email back from him, and then that'll be coming up in the next video, and we'll talk about that. But it's all good stuff. It's all good stuff. Well, it sounds like it's all good stuff. So we'll see. But anyway, Darlene Knight for Jerry by BDK, and guess what? Happy Friday. We'll talk.